Every breath's a chance to say thank you, Lord.